If you are looking for cornerstone information to prepare you for a management role in the InfoSec field, Mile2 Cybersecurity Certification's Certified Information Systems Security Officer course is the right course for you because it helps technology experts move beyond their specialties to big picture thinking, like how principles within each domain interconnect, how to view responsibilities through a risk management lens, and perform threat and risk analysis. Mile2 is accredited by the NSA's Committee on National Security Systems, mapped to Homeland Security's NICS cybersecurity framework, and approved on the FBI's cybersecurity certification requirement list. Through our online learning platform, you will cover 18 lessons and earn 40 continuing education units, which can be accessed through any device with an internet connection. It's time to hone your cybersecurity team management skills with Mile2's Certified Information Systems Security Officer course.